Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website, which is www.gigabyte.com. This is official website, so you can download the driver of any Gigabyte devices. After that you can see this is search box, so just click and then enter your model number of your motherboard Z790S DDR4, then hit enter. And then click on this. Then click on support. Then select your operating system which is you required and using, so Windows 10 and 11. So if you are use any, okay, so installations process same. Chipset driver, so Intel serial, and click to download. It will start downloading, then open it, then double click to exe, and then yes, this is installing, and then close. Then try this one, Intel INF installer, and just click to download. So this complete, and just open it, then double click to exe, and then yes. So it is closed automatically, means this is installed, and then closed.